Hi everyone, it's Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps, and today I am working on the March 2020 Soap Challenge Club clamshell technique. So I'm only doing a half batch. I am not going to be talking during this because it is a new technique for me and very complicated. So I figured I'd tell you what I was using up front and then just start. So I'm going to be using Mad Micas Always a Bridesmaid, and then also Mad Micas Champagne. I'm just doing two colors, and I'm using Peach Prosecco by Bramble Berry. So let's get started. Okay, I have obviously messed this up. These colors were too close. They're really getting mixed together. So I'm gonna see if I can take everything out of this mold. It's all still super, super, super light trace. See what I can salvage. I think I'm gonna make one the pinkish color. I'm gonna blend these together, have that be a light pink, and then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna see if I can add purple to it, maybe black to it. I mean, I love how that looks, but it's just not working. And instead of wasting a whole entire batch because I don't have time to do anymore, I'm gonna get my butt together, get moving, and fix it. All right, so I'll be back. Okay, we're back, super messy. So I am taking Goldfinger from Mad Micas and I'm adding it to this. And I'm just gonna scrape it in maybe. I didn't really want to go to black because I thought that would be a weird, it wouldn't mesh well, it wouldn't be a good contrast, but we'll see how this, it's definitely getting thicker. So I'm trying to move a little faster. Okay, I like the gold. Let's see if we can get a little more gold in, and then I'm gonna have to hustle. So once again, won't be talking during this, but goodness. All right, but we're gonna get what we get. Right? It's kind of how today's been going. It's just a little nutso. So, all right, let me, okay, I think those will look pretty good. And honestly, they're a little thicker trace now. So hopefully they won't mesh together. Okay, so let's take, craziness. All right, and I added a little bit more of the Always a Bridesmaid to this, just to make it a little more pinky. I don't know, and I'm gonna gel phase these and we'll see, we'll just see what happens. I'll submit it anyway because yeah, it's always fun. It's always a learning experience. And I made it one of my goals this year to do the challenge every month, so I'm gonna do it. All right. I lost my mind. It has just been a day, super day. Okay, so let's get these in here, and when you saw when I poured the first time, they really kind of mixed together. So now, oh yeah, okay, well, they're staying apart. That's bonus. And oh, no, see, I don't want that. No, stop. All right, well, it's gonna be what it's gonna be. Okay, and I'm not sure if the first time I moved the thing too quickly, too soon. All right, let's just start. And I'm just going here and I'm counting. I'm gonna count to 12 in my head. what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? All right, I'm gonna do a little bit more because that's looking a little smushed there. So I want this to be a little more equal. Yeah, this is where I kick myself. This is where you yell at the screen saying, don't do it. One last little one. Okay, back away. Okay, so that was fun. Not at all. That was stressful. Okay, I am going to clean up the edges very carefully because it's still honestly really light trace. Clean up the edges. I'm going to spray it with rubbing alcohol. I'll bring you guys in. And what kind of stinks is that I have, this is my work table, and then I have a table that I move my soaps to gel them and kind of have them cook for 24 hours. But I don't want to move this yet. So I'm kind of at a standstill. So we're just gonna let it set up. It's just gonna live here for a while. All right. I'm gonna clean up, spray with rubbing alcohol, and bring y'all in for a close-up. I'll be back. Okay, hi guys, we are back less than 24 hours later, and I think I may have actually gotten the design, which is frankly a miracle. It's awesome. I ended up redoing this one. Oh no. There we go. And I'm really, really, really happy I did. Oh gosh, please don't be stuck. Please. You're so pretty on top. Just leave it alone. Okay. Goodness. Today has just been a day, but that's okay. We're here. Making soap. Yay. All right. Okay, I'm happy. And these actually look, I was kind of worried about these, like the bars being like this thin because I'm going to cut them this way. But that looks great. Okay. Let's take this bad boy out. Whew. That's a fun little fall. Okay. So I am pretty happy. We do have the 3 scallops. The colors are not that drastically different. I think I will maybe shave the top. You know what? I'm not going to. I could smooth down the top, but I'm afraid the design won't go down all the way. Oh, look, that wasn't even. All right. So I'm going to clean up the edges a little bit. Measure it, and it's a 12-inch mold, so it should be, I should be able to get 4 bars, 3 inches each. This is still a little tacky, but let me look at the, I lost my cute little measuring tapes. I have my husband's giant hulking thing. And yeah, so we'll just do 3-inch cuts, and that'll be good. So I'm gonna, this is so funny. This is, I think I was pouring it this side because you can definitely see there's a nice little slope, but that's okay. So if anything, I think I just need 3 bars. So maybe I'll plane a little bit of this top to see. I don't know. This has really been a neat one to do. So I am going to get, I think I'm just going to do a knife. I hate it because I can't cut straight, but I think I'm going to have to. All right, so let me go get a knife and we'll just cut it. Okay, I'll be back. Very high tech over here. It wouldn't lock for me, so I have my phone and everything there. So I'm just gonna mark it at 3. Gosh, I'm really bad at cutting. And 9. I'm telling you, this is like one of the first things I invested in with my soap company was actually a cutter, because I really cannot cut straight. It's terrible. But I'm going to do my best. All right. Okay. All right, let's get this hulking thing out of here. All right. I mean, I've lined them up. They're lined up, right? You would think these are going to be straight, right? Does it look straight? Let's go on camera. Oh, gosh, I really just don't. All right, we're just doing it. As a big bar of soap. I might weigh this just for fun. All right. So this one I will just out and play, but it's huge. Okay. That's okay. get the next one. These three are the ones that I really, these are more the even sides. So a little more pressure not to mess this up, right? All right. Nice. Yeah, I watch people cut soap all the time freehand, and I am just in awe because I can't. I can't at all. All right, it's still another big bar, but that's okay. Okay, and last but not least. All right, we did it. Okay. Ooh, that is pretty in there. You can kind of see the design. So it's a really simple design. I like it. I will clean these up. Maybe I'll plane this one on camera to see how it does. So let's see. Bring you guys along with me from the fun. All right, so I'm just gonna really gently, I'm gonna go this way. Let's go this way. There we go, we got this. Ooh, okay. But see, that was there. It did go a little deeper, but it did smooth it out. You can see the design a little bit more. I don't think I'm gonna risk it. Honestly, I think I'm okay with there just being a dot or two. I think I'm just gonna risk it. I think this one is a really good one. So I will see, look, that is not a straight line. Nope, can't cut a straight line. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and I'll get some pictures. And it was a really fun, challenging technique, but I do love like how it turned out. It's amazing. I will try this again. I think this one's probably one of my favorites too. I will try it again, and a huge thank you to Amy for this month's challenge, and for Teri Endsley of Tree Marie Soapworks. This was an amazing tutorial, a really, really awesome method to learn. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe to the channel, and I hope everyone is doing well during all the craziness that is going on. And remember to wash your hands. Thanks guys, have a great day.